we are discuss about linear programming model. Today we are discuss about linear programming. What is a linear programming? Linear programming is a method used in decision making in business for obtaining the maximum or minimum value of linear expression subject to satisfying certain given linear inequations. First one is linear expression. This is called objective function. Linear inequation we call as a linear constraint. There are some basic terminology used in linear programming problem. First one is linear constraint. Linear constraint. This linear constraint, the limitation on the resource can be often be expressed in the form of linear inequation known as a linear constraint. Second one is objective functions. Objective function, a linear function of involved in variables which is to be either maximized or minimized subject to given linear constraint is known as objective function. In that z equal to ax plus by, this line we called as a objective functions, and that a and b we called as a constraint, and x and y we called as a decision variable. What is use of optimal value? Optimal value of objective function, the maximum or minimum value of an objective function is known as a optimal value. We find out fourth one, feasible solution. Feasible solution means it is a set of value of variable satisfying all constraints. Fifth one is optimum solution. It is a feasible solution which leads to the optimum value of an objective function. And sixth one is optimization problem. It is a problem which seeks to maximize or minimize a linear function subject to constraint is determined by a set of inequalities, linear inequalities. Okay. So, what is a linear programming problem? Linear programming problem is a special type of optimization problem. A general linear programming problem consists of either maximization or minimization of objective function subject to certain given constraint. Finding the optimal value of the objective function of several variables, the condition should be non-negative that satisfy the linear constraint. There are different types of linear programming. First one is manufacturing problem, and second one is diet problem, and third one is transportation problem. So first one, manufacturing problem. In that manufacturing problem, determine the number of units that should be produced and sold in order to max the main profit will be maximize the profit when each product requires fixed manpower, machine hours and raw material, etc. Second one is diet problem. Determine the amount of different kind of constitution to be included in a diet, minimizing the cost and subject to availability of the food and the prices. And third one is transportation problem. This transportation problem determine the schedule to find the cheapest way of transportation product or factories or plant in a different location in different market. Linear programming problem we can divide it into two types, one for graphical method, another is simplex method. Graphical method, linear programming problem which involves only two variables by using a graphical method. In simplex method, linear programming problem which involves two or more than variables is called simplex method. In simplex method, we have to be used, there are two types of method. One is simple case simplex method and another one is big game method, two-phase method. Simplex case. In that simplest case, only a slack variable are added which converting the problem into standard form of identifying given matrix. Here in big game method or two-phase method, we have to be used surplus variable are to be subtracted and artificial variable added to get the identification of matrix. In linear programming model, the first topic we have to discuss about mathematical formulas of linear programming. What is a mathematical formula of linear programming? To denote a general linear programming problem in a mathematical form using various symbols and mathematical model is known as a formulation of mathematical linear programming problem. Solve the linear programming problem by using a mathematical formulation. Step 1. Identify the decision variable. What is a decision variable? The variable whose value are to be found out by solving the linear programming problem and assign the symbol either x1 or x2 or xyz to them. We can use any one this method. And second step, identify the objective function. First step is identify the decision variable, and second one is identify the objective function. The objective function to be optimized and represent is a linear function in a decision variable z equal to c1 plus x1 plus c2 x2 etc. And third step is identify all the restriction or constraint in the problem regarding the resources which are available up to behind this certain limit. This equation, linear equation, should be equation or inequalities in terms of decision variable in following manner: a I1 x1 plus a I2 x2 plus less than or equal to greater than or equal to vi, I equal to 1 to 3. And fourth step, we have to be, since the negative value of decision variable do not have any valid physical interpretation, write the non-negative constraints: x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. And then in step 5, we have to be find out the objective functions, the linear constraint and non-negative constraint together to form a model of linear programming problem. In LPP, there is standard form. If a general formulation of LPP problem is expressed as maximize z equal to sigma power of n, j equal to 1, cj into xj, subject to constraint sigma of n power of n, j equal to 1, aij xij less than or equal to pi. Here I equal to 1 to 2 to m and xj equal to greater than or equal to 0, then j 1 to 2 equal to n. Then it is called a standard form of LPP program. The characteristics of this form are: first one is all the variables are non-negative. In standard form, all the variables should be non-negative. Second, the right hand side of each constraint is non-negative. Right hand side value all should be only for positive value. Left hand side it should be negative, that is the problem. But right hand side each constraint is a non-negative value. And third one is all the constraints are expressed as a equation. All constraints should be expressed as an equation. In objective function, maybe either it should be a maximization or a minimization problem in LPP. What is the advantage of linear programming problem? First one is advantage: improve the quality analysis. Second one is cost benefit analysis. Third one is flexibility. And fourth one is number of possible solutions. And fifth one is use of productive factors. Sixth one is scientific approaches. Disadvantage of linear programming: they have some linear relationship and coefficient. Second one is coefficient or constraint. Third one is fractional solution. Fourth one is the linear programming problem. These all problems should be complexity. And fifth one is possibility of more than one objectives. And sixth one is time effective. What are the applications should be used in linear programming problem? In real time, by using a linear programming problem, we have to use few. In that few, first one is finance. In the finance application, with the help of optimum use of financial resources. And second one is industrial. in that industrial, the LPP use of production cost to be minimized. Administrative, in any college office or any other administrative office, work effective and efficient. And military defense in LPP, it is a utilization of limited defense resources to get the goal, and trade marketing, estimation the demand and price, etc.